Have you ever walked into your bathroom only to be hit with an unpleasant smell? It's not the most pleasant experience, especially if you're hosting guests. But fear not, there are ways to tackle these pesky smells. Stick around as we'll explore. Now we're going to start with air fresheners, which can be a saving grace when it comes to masking unwanted odours, but reliance only on them might not be the healthiest option. So instead consider using a natural alternative or opt for a gel-like odour eliminator. Now, proper ventilation is key to your bathroom smelling fresh and nice. So make sure your vent fan is in good working condition. Remember to keep the bathroom door and window open where possible and let the fresh air circulate. This helps eliminate the odours and prevent that musty smell from building up. Now, a dirty or damp towel can quickly become a breeding ground for odour-causing bacteria and fungi. Now, make it a habit to hang your towels to dry after every use and wash them regularly, say every 2 to 3 uses. This simple step can make a big difference in keeping your bathroom smelling clean and fresh. Next up, we've got candles. Who don't like a candle in a bathroom? Now, the gentle heat and the supple fragrance from a candle can work wonders neutralising those bathroom odours. Now, whether scented or unscented, candles are an easy way to add a cosy atmosphere to your bathroom. Now, just remember, never leave them unattended for safety reasons. Now, regular cleaning of your bathroom, think about surfaces, floors, and even those overlooked spots like door handles and the faucet, which we call in the UK the tap, can eliminate odours as well at source. And don't forget to give your bathroom mats a good wash or at least replace them if they start smelling funky. Now remember to take the trash out. Even your bathroom garbage can contribute to unpleasant smells. Have you ever gotten a whiff of your bin when you're emptying it? From those wet wipes, sanitary ware, etc. It's disgusting. So make it a habit to empty the trash regularly and not just when it's full. Now, these simple steps can go a long way in maintaining a fresh smelling bathroom. And for more of my bathroom cleaning tips, check out the next 2 videos coming up.